Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me Nokia G22, and now I'm gonna show you how to enable caller ID announcement on this device. So to announce caller ID on Nokia G22, first you need to open the phone application, then click on the three dots button on the right top corner of your screen, click Settings, scroll down, find here Caller ID Announcement, choose Announce Caller ID and choose Always or Only when using a headset. I want to use this setting, for example. And that's it. Thanks for watching, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.